I'm actually quite nervous, eh? So I'm trying my best to not be nervous. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hi everything. What is the do? The do is the what? No. Hi bo, no. Hi bo. Hi everything. You know what is the do? Please tap the screen, everybody. I hope that you guys are doing well. George, who's George? No man, George, no.
Fortunate.
No.
Vulifoni.
Hi bo.
Vulifoni.
No.
Why not?
Hi everything. What is the do? The do is the what? Guys, I'm so nervous. Guys, I'm so nervous. I'm feeling phone for him.
And how's Vulifoni? I know. How's you Vula?
Yo, twin.
How's you Vula?
What is the do?
How's you Vula?
I'm live. Do you know that I'm live?
I'm live. How's you Vula? How's you Vula?
I'm going to give you I'm live.
Sharp.
Why are you nervous? I'm not
nervous, Yan.
I'm not me.
Me nervous.
No, I'm answering. I said I'm the one that's nervous. I told you I'm going live.
Yeah.
Guys, my drink is here.
Prioritize more than me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's fine. Thank you. So, prioritize man.
Lile kanto ka ngayon.
Anganalo lemon yini lemon thing I think I want lemons amanzi and lemons is not good together. Yeah. I love you.
Sometimes.
In
the meantime.
Hey, serious la. Vulifoni. Serious la.
Why are you Vulifoni?
Asidlala pa Vulifoni.
Why are you Vulifoni? Guys, Zile is bullying me.
Vulifoni.
You are bullying me.
What's it Vulifoni?
Yes.
Ifona mi kuwe.
You are bullying me.
Yangiphambane athi mhlawumbe ngibe friends nami bafuna ngibe ngathi ngi-celebrate. Bafuna ngikala manje. Bafuna ngi-celebrate. Namazi yawathenga ke ngoku free water le yabona imazani. Ish. Mina ngome. Yo.
Hayiboni na Vulifoni yani. You actually look nice here. Like man bheka in person bese ngibhela. Yo, fucking lipstick.
Bona ke bona.
Ngicela uyekise uyilo kuya kumama. Yabona ndimfake intweni kwamanje.
Umazani telefoni yami.
Angifuni ngisakhuluma nabantu. I don't want to. Why ungafuni? But I'm still speaking to people. First ngiyekise kuya kwamama. Okay, let me end the live.